Dear students, in this video we will learn the importance of adding quotes in an essay and how to get great marks by using these quotes in an essay. Dear students, adding quotations will help you write an impressive essay or speech, as well-chosen quotations can illustrate points that you are making, provide evidence to support what you are saying, can add a sense of depth to emphasize a significant point. It will help the examiner to demonstrate your reading. It will develop your writing style. Adding quotations will also encourage further thought and reflection, so you can make your essays or speech lengthy. In the next series of videos, I have added quotations to be used for writing English as well as Hindi essays from my two books, Portable Magic and Uddharan Kosh. You can contact me on the given number for placing an order for these books. These books are available on Kindle and Amazon platforms as well. Dear students, please click on the link to see my other videos on the quotations. I have added topic-wise quotations in each videos. Also like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.